Here are some highlights from the July issue of Pumper magazine, dedicated to the liquid waste industry. She lost a business, started over from scratch, and came back swinging. Now Tanya Wilson's building a septic company that's not just making money, but changing the game for her crew, her customers, and the whole darn industry. See how she's doing it on page 28. Septic pumping isn't just hard work, it's hazardous. Before you open that tank, make sure you know the risks that could cost you your health or even your life. Think your crew would never steal from you? From falsified invoices to skimming cash, even tight-knit septic companies can get burned from the inside. Here's how to spot the red flags before it's too late. Need a new truck but your bank doesn't speak septic? The right lender knows your gear, your grind, and how this industry actually runs. Before you sign on the dotted line, give this article a quick read. He hauls gear down mountains, fixes systems on remote islands, and fights for better septic rules in New England. Now Jared Willey's got a new mission, getting more pros plugged into the industry association that's working to make things better for everyone. Our 2025 Blowers and Pumps directory puts the toughest, smartest equipment right at your fingertips, because when your rig's heart beats strong, your business runs smoother. Chrome, power, and 4,000 gallons of Get It Done, Hall's Septic isn't just showing up, they're showing off. Check out the July classy truck that proves work rigs can turn heads and pump tanks. Our latest roundup of blowers and pumps brings the heavy hitters, from high vacuum beasts to slick, compact systems that get the job done fast. Tired of wipes wrecking your pumps? A new bill could finally force clearer labels on non-flushables, and that's just one of several updates you need to know. The Pumper Classifieds are right where you expect to find them. Dig in and upgrade. All this and much more in the latest issue of Pumper magazine, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Pumper. See you next month.